Hello, friends. So, in our previous section, we have looked at when we have made the web page. So, this home and this book online is going on the left on the right hand side on the below, but not coming on the top. So, we want that this should become on the top side. So, for this. Let's start the coding that how we can put these things on the right hand side or at the top. So we open our Visual Studio, and previously to summarize some that toolbox we have already get, and we have written the toolbox.js, and we have imported it from the component toolbox, the folder which structure in the previous we have made. So I will not go on this. So I will directly move to the toolbox.css. So here we will be having the toolbox, so which will be having the navigation items. So I will be placing navigation, um, and this will be having items here. So and these items will be unstructured list. So I will be placing with respect to unstructured list that if they are having the list items basically will be having line lists, list style will be basically none, and when we are aligning the items basically, so we will be aligning just flex start, so that from the start of the item it will be taking positioning, we will be taking absolute. So good to have the absolute position. We will be placing on the right hand side, so it's right, and we want to place at the top, so the top will be starting zero margin exactly. We want to take zero margin, and with respect to padding, we will be taking zero only, and display we want to have that it should have a some flex display, so that it will ease us to make the display. So in the basically in the toolbox, again toolbox navigation items. So we will take navigation items. Now this time we will be taking a list. So in this list we will have the padding basically. So padding we will be taking of 0 to 0.5 pixel, that RAM, it's good enough. So that will be close good enough. So now if we see, then our these menu bar have come on the right hand side corner, and but the color is looking not attractive, so to look this good. So we will have some coding in the toolbar JS. So in the basically in the toolbar JS, here we will have the style, and in style we will have the global global acceptor values. So here in the global acceptor values, we will be taking color, and we will be having the white color in that. It will look good. So let's see that, yeah. So now white has come. It is looking quite good. So the same we will copy it, and we will just paste it here. So now both are looking white. So in the same way, we can add some more block of items here. Suppose I just copy it, and I just copy this this number of times, and in this I just write something like block. Blog, I just write it, and then I just write it shop, that if there is a shopping requirement, then the shopping requirement we can get it. And if you want to know about the client information, for that you can place clients. And if you want to go ahead with the resumes of who want to apply, so for those you can have the resumes. And menus, if you want some food items to be delivered, so for that menus can come. If you have some orders, so you can have this orders there. And if you want to have some members also, so you can have for members also, like this. So like this we have made basically menu, which will be just looking like this. So mm, uh, so that is cool one. So in the next video we will look that how we can put some more work, just like if we want to go ahead with firstly that we can define one more div, and we can name this with a class name. And here if in a class name we define it just like uh, toolbox text. So we just have this toolbox text, and in this step we just write Avantika technology, like this. So if you will see that here you are seeing the Avantika technology on this side. So we will try to make it that how we can make it at the center. So in the next video we will be seeing all this. Keep watching my videos, and we will be designing the whole page. Okay, thank you.